Hey everybody, this is Tyler, right? Y'all favorite foreign exchange trader that makes everything simple. I'm 18 years old. I've been trading for about a year. If you're interested in joining my trading group, you can hit me up on any of my social medias or text my phone number. It is a $200 fee to become a part of my group. So before you text me, just have that in mind. But today, what we're going to talk about is, first of all, this is video 4 in my 25 days of financial freedom series. So if you haven't watched the other videos, you might want to go back and watch those as well. So today what we're going to talk about is trading plans. Now, a lot of the videos that I do have stuff to do with actual strategies in the market, but I'm going to touch on something that I haven't touched on before, and that's actual mindset when it comes to trading and trading plans, right? So trading is a way that you can make a passive income. You can make a lot of money with trading, but only if you have the correct mindset to trade. And what I mean by that is trading is a thin line from gambling if you do not have the correct mindset, if you do not have discipline in the market, if you do not have a daily goal, if you have a lot of emotions when it comes to trading, you will never be good at it, right? So emotions, what I mean by that is if you see that your trade is about to hit, if you don't use stop losses and you see a trade, hitting what's supposed to be your stop loss, but you're like, it's gonna come back down, 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 and it never comes back down, and you end up losing a lot of money. Or you're over leveraging your account. Over leveraging basically means that you are risking more capital than you should. So let's say you get in one trade, and that one trade that you get in could potentially take out 50% of your account. Right? That's risking too much of your account. And that's what a lot of novice traders do, because they like to do a get rich quick scheme. And Forex, it's just buy and sell. So it seems like it's a 50-50 chance of you winning or losing. But when you don't really know what you're doing in this market, oftentimes it becomes like a 10%, 90. 10% of success stories of people that don't know what the fuck they're doing. And 90% of, I don't know what I'm doing. I just lost a lot of money trying to do this by myself. And I don't believe that it works. Right? So you should only be risking 1% of your account every time that you get into a trade at a time. Also, risk to reward, I touched on this on another one of my videos, but a risk to reward ratio is basically you can be the worst trader, kind of like a bad trader, like a bad percentage rate. A lot of people think, somebody's calling all these bad trades, somebody putting me on all these bad trades. But at the end of the day, as a beginner, you should be working on the basics. Everybody wants to know how to read a chart, how to know when to buy and sell. You don't even know how to count pips yet, right? That's the most important part. The number game that you play in trading is really the most important part, right? Risk to reward. If I have a 1 to 5 risk to reward ratio, which means every trade that I get in, I'm risking, let's put it in dollar amount so that nobody gets confused. I'm risking $1 to make $5. That means if I win that first trade that I get in, I got $5. That means I would have to lose. If I'm consistently using a 1 to 5 win to lose ratio, or lose to win, 1 to 5 risk to reward. So 1 to 5, ratio right there. That means I would have to lose 5 consecutive trades after that first win to even hit a break even point. So I could be 1 in 5, or I could be 1 in 4 and be winning for the week because I'm still in profit $1, right? So a lot of people don't know that. People that are new, they just like, oh, this trade his stop loss, or this trade is in the negative, so this person don't know how to trade, or I don't know how to trade. No, if you have a good risk to reward ratio, if your risk to reward ratio is 1 to 10, that means that, if you risking $1 to make 10, you win one trade, you can lose 10 trades and still be at break even. You haven't lost any money that week. You haven't made no money, but you haven't lost any money either, right? So that's very important, right? So all these things take an effect on your trading plan. How much money you have in your account, what's your risk to reward ratio, what lot size are you using, and what is your goal? I feel like in trading, a lot of people try to get rich quick. They try to, find that one trade that's gonna go for 1,000 pips and just be like, I'm gonna risk it all on that. And I'm just here to tell you, because I was one of those people, like, sometimes I still am one of them people, but I like for people to do better than me. It don't work like that. It's a couple people that get lucky, and that's like gambling. That's like the lottery. It's those couple of people that hit for the lottery. But you've been playing the lottery for 30 years and they never hit. But somebody else that didn't hit, right? Same thing. You trying to hit the lottery on one trade, and yeah, it does happen to some people, but how many people does that actually happen to? So, see, not that many, right? So you have to take calculated risk in this market, right? Basically make a plan. So I would say if you have a $100 account, it's good to, you know, have a plan where you make $10 a day, right? $10 a day. Let's see, 8 minus 30, or actually 25 to 26 trading days in a month, because I had to take out the weekends, but then Saturdays is the only day that the market is technically not open, and crypto is actually open on Saturdays. So I don't know, but 25 to 26 trading days, $10 a day for 26 days, that's $260. Now that might not seem like a lot, but that 100 plus that 260, that's $360. That allows you to move your goal up, right, to maybe $30 a day. So now we're working with 30 times whatever 25 is. I'm just do 30 times 20 for quick math. 30 times 20 is 600. Now you got that 600 plus that 300 and whatever I just said, that's about around 900. It's probably like 1,000. I'm just doing quick ass math in my head. Now with that $1,000 account, now your goal can be making, you know, $50 a day, $100 a day, whatever it is for you. But all I want to say is this: when you make a goal, you also have to be comfortable with the losses that come with the market, right? I'm pretty sure if y'all looking this up, y'all have seen the success stories in, you know, Forex. But I'm pretty sure, I'm like 99.99999% positive that all of those success, like none of those success stories came without a loss. Whether that was a small loss, whether that was a big loss, nobody had a life-changing experience with this market unless they were already rich before without some type of loss. And they had to stay consistent, and they had to build this same mindset that I'm talking about right now in order to take wins. Yes, sometimes people hit those big wins, but that doesn't really happen often. If anybody is telling you that you could take 100 and turn it into 2,000, you might want to run them over with your car. And I'm just being serious because I'm going to keep it real at the end of the day, because that's why a lot of people fuck with me, because I'm going to keep it real. So with that being said, you know, that is possible. It's a $6.6 trillion market. Is it possible? Yes. Is it possible for me to be a football player? Yes. Is it likely? Fuck no, it's not. I got the smallest 1 point. I'm not even talking about football player. I'm talking about an NFL player. It's possible. Anything in the world is possible. Is it likely? No, it's not. 0.000000001% chance. The chance is that small of that happening, right? That small. So you just want to make sure that when you're dealing with the market, you're taking calculated risk. You have the right mindset to trade. You're not being emotional with your trades. You're not being emotional with your losses. You having a good risk to reward ratio. You make sure that you understand pips and lot sizes and how they work. And if you don't, I actually have it's not an old video, it's probably like 2 months old, about how pips and lot sizes actually go hand in hand to determining profit as well as risk. And yeah, this was just one of those videos today. So if you guys support me, please comment, like, and subscribe on my channel. I appreciate it a lot. I appreciate it when people reach out to me and tell me how valuable my videos are, because all I want to do is bring value to people. Tomorrow, I don't know what I'm going to talk about, but if y'all got something that y'all want to see and y'all see this video before December the 6th, please text my phone or hit me up on DMs or anything like that and let me know. Like I already say in all the end of my videos, if you are interested in joining my group, I told y'all about the fee in the first part, but if you want more information about how the process actually works, I have Zoom calls every day, 8 p.m. Eastern, weekdays. So today I will be having a Zoom call, 8 p.m. Eastern, weekday. Download the Zoom app. I will put the link in the description box to the actual call. And then lastly, I also have another link where you could get some extra money. You know, Christmas is coming up. You can earn extra money for Christmas and things like that simply by downloading apps on your phone and sharing the link with other people. So if you're interested in that, you could go ahead and click on that link, download the app, and you'll get the app. You can earn money. I'm personally, once I get to $1,000 on the app, I am going to sponsor somebody to be able to join the foreign exchange market and join my team for free. So that's what I plan on doing. That's how I plan on giving back for this holiday season. So yeah, if you would like to be one of them people, it's actual free money. Like, it's no scam. It's almost easier than trading. You just download the app, and yeah. So everybody have a good day. If y'all got any videos that y'all want to see, hit me up. Let me know.